business takes time, effort and expertise. And at some point, you're going to need someone to help you. Whether it's an expert who knows something you haven't yet known, a friend who is just another pair of hands, a freelancer that you need to rely on when you've got too much work to do, or an employee. But how do you choose which is the right person for you, and how do you know when is the right time to start getting other people involved in your business? If you can get it right, you can grow yourself a flexible and resilient business that will last for years. Get it wrong, you'll have GDPR problems, you'll have tax problems and a very disaffected team. After 39 years in business this year, I can tell you we've tried it every single way it can go wrong. So I'm going to be sharing with you what we've learned and how to make it go right for you. Join me and let's get your business really growing.